everybody, I'm back with another video, and this time, በጣም ነው ደስ የሚላችሁ ነገር fourth grade girl. And yeah, she's a mother now. But we have to run. Mom, is it going to Happy feet. I got some guests with me. Sulle sitabuqani nabarchu. So today I'm gonna do her hair because nigga on a program nigga a lot. So and it was this lallohuኝ, obviously I got her, you know. It's me, her big sister. I mean, I'm the youngest, but you know, I act like a big sister since she's not doing the big sister duties. That's all me. So now let's get started with this hair. But I'm gonna remember it. You guys see it's a good deal, not but I don't it's what I'm በቤቴ ብታቆሳቁኝ አስበሽ ከሆነ በጣም ትዝበይ አረጋግ መጀመሪያ ሰላም ባያቸው ዩቲዩብ ቤተሰቦቼ I have a secret to tell you. I'm married. It's not a secret anymore. Oh my god. Have you guys seen the hair? Oh my god, bro. Mashallah ያላችሁ የተፋችሁ ስማው ያላችሁ ነው. Anyways, let's prep this hair. Hey. So ነገ fourth grade girl. እኔም ገና ጠብሬ መስራት አለብኝ ግን ነገ እሰራዋለሁ። By the way, ለማታውቁ ሰዎች this woman right here, and yeah, she's a mother now, but that was not the head የነበረው ግን ማለት የራሷ ቅባት አላት። By the way, that's how this big chunk is up here. እኔ by the way ፀጉሬ በጣም አድርጎ ነበር ግን since I ቀለም እየተቀባችን ነው especially ቦይዶን መቀባት አቁማ ብሊች ነው actually ቀለም እኔ ምንም አያደርገውም ፀጉሬ አይናሽ this is the bleach though. It ruined it, bro. It ruined it. Good morning, everyone. So this is second day of me fixing Nina's hair. That is the end result. Oh my god. Oh, Nina is so excited. Okay, guys, we outside. Bruh. Okay, መጀመሪያ ፀጉሯን ሳልሰራት የሆነ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? እቃ ልናመጣ እየወጣን ነው። So yeah. By the way, ፀጉሬ እንዴት እንዳጠረ እያያችሁት ነው። Oh my god, it's okay. እንከባከበውና እንመልሰዋለን within less than a year, okay? Well, guys, it's 86 degrees. I mean, it's okay for Texas, by the way. ትናንትና 96 ነበረ እና እኔ ግን I loved it. Oh my god, ውጪ ነበርኩ ቁጭ ያልኩትና ሰው ውጪ ማጤነኛ አትመስለኝም ነው የሚለኝ መቼስ very nice because it was like very hot. ውጪ ቁጭ ብዬ ሁላ ለፍት ነው ያልኩት። እግዚአብሔር 15 ደቂቃ አላርም ሞልቼ ጧ ያለ እንቅልፍ አለ። እንዴት ደስ የሚል እንቅልፍ ስማ። Hi Harry. ፀጉርሽን አስተካኪ Harry. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm guys, I have one announcement to make. I'm getting engaged. Oh my god, and I'm picking my wedding ring. Do you think I'm lying? Look. Soon, okay? You guys, we don't even have that much time and I don't want to go like this. Look at my hair. I gotta fix my hair. I need to do Nina's hair, but we only have like 20 minutes. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we can make it happen, you know? We can make it happen. Okay, better said. Now we have to run. Why are you running? Domino's, we're here to get some food, bro. I'm sorry, Texas የምትኖሩ ሰዎች, I'm sorry to say this, but oh my god. እኔ ይሆናል አይደል ትንሽ እንትን ነበረኝ ትንሽ የሆፕ maybe Texas maybe እንዴ ለደቂቃ like for 2 minutes ውጪ ወክ ማድረግ አይቻልም like it's freaking hot በኢየሱስ ሰው እንዴት ነው የሚኖረው ስለዚህ you basically gonna stay home the whole time እንዴ ረበስ ላሴ ይሁት ላበላብ በቃ የሆነ የሚያፍን ማም እዚህ መኖር ትፈልጋለሽ? I love Seattle. Exactly, I swear how I miss my baby Seattle. Oh my god. እንዴ እዛ ሙቀት ቢሆን at least ንፋስ አለ. I'm sorry Texas. I'm his favorite auntie, you know. What can I say, you know? I wish ማሳያችሁ ይሳቀች እኮ happy feet